What's up, everybody? I'm back from vacation, and boy, was it rough. Talk about trying to find water in Utah. Wow. Desert, mountains, water, pretty hard to find. Fishable? Just depends where you are, I guess. So I spent this whole time searching and searching, trying to find bass waters. I didn't have any luck. But that didn't stop me from fishing. So I took up trout fishing for the first time ever. Never fished. Don't have any idea about trout fishing. Totally out of my element. But I took some knowledge, took some notes, saw other locals doing it, got some equipment. After 2 failed days, I got it down on the 3rd day. So real quick about the equipment. I had this Doc Demon Deluxe spinning reel that I bought from Walmart for like 16 bucks. It's 3 foot long rod and reel set with a medium light like fiberglass rod. I don't know, plastic. I don't know what this material is, but it was awesome. It did what I needed it to do. It came with line. I got size 6, size 4 Eagle Claw hooks, just little bitty hooks. I got a container of night crawlers from Walmart, and then I got a bag of 1/6 ounce Gremlin pinch weights, just the little round weights that you can put on there. So I basically drop shotted with a worm, a live worm, and I was pretty successful. Hope you guys enjoy some of the time lapse of the trip and the fishing, and I'll see you guys on Saturday. Acting like you're carrying a baby or something. There's one. Woo! Ah, it's slimy and cold. Sound like a little girl. It's slimy. I can't keep him. I've never held trout before, but I can see why this could be an issue. Okay. It's got little teeth. Okay. Wow, trout are ridiculous.
Oh, look at the fishy.
Touch it.
Oh, yeah.
Fish blood and all. That's my daughter. Oh! There's one. Oh, that's a good one. Woo! All right, becoming a pro at this trout thing. See ya. There's one. Beautiful trout. Yeah. There's one.
They stock this about every week or 2 in the summer or in the spring. Last time they stocked it was like the first part of October.
That's pretty good. Nice, pretty trout. Get you back in there. So the fly that you throw sinks.
Yeah, I've got a sinking line right now. And they come, you can get floating, and you got intermediate, which is just below the surface, then a type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5, you know. And the higher the number on the type, it goes to the next column. Like a type 2 might be anywhere from 4 to 8 feet is all it goes. Type 3 will go, like 6 to 12.
How deep, what is yours, the type?
This one is because it's a slow sink. You can get fast sinks, slow sinks. This one, if I start stripping it in earlier, it just goes down about where I think they're eating. I'll show you this. I just made it up this morning.
See if he wants to come up and get my worm. He was biting it.
See, it's just a little olive crystal. I put a bead head on it and stuff. And what happened was the other one, they ruined the hackle on it. But mine get so unorganized. But see, there's a bunch. The little ones are chronomids. The others are. See, that's what these are. Whoops, chronomids there.
Huh.
And I use those under a strike indicator. These other bigger ones are little foam grasshoppers, and they love those in the evening.
Interesting. There we go. Okay. Beautiful rainbow. Oh, there we go. A good size one. There I go with my sinker. It's a lot of fun basically drop shotting them. There it goes. Beautiful. There we go. There's another one following him. We can catch both. Ow, ow, ow. That's a catch and release. Oh yeah? We doubled up right here. There we go.
I did catch last year over there at the outlet. I caught an 18-inch channel cat. I don't know where he comes from.
Really? See ya. I think that was probably my biggest one.